Reels is where it is at. What's happening? I am Eric J. Olson. Yes, Instagram Reels on another platform. They're called TikToks. I guess they're called TikToks, but the platform is called TikTok. Really the same kind of thing, which is short format video. By short, I mean 15, 30, maybe 60 seconds long. But these are very short videos, obviously, and you can scroll through them very, very quickly. Now, we've been experimenting with, in particular, Instagram Reels. And so some of the content that we create, we are not only posting as, a regular old video post, but also as an Instagram Reel. So as an example, this right here could go out as an Instagram Reel, which would then be cross-promoted as a post on my feed, where I am Eric J. Olson on Instagram. This could also be chopped up into a post, like a dedicated post that can go out on places like LinkedIn or Facebook or Twitter, and then it becomes part of the podcast. So we're going to continue to repurpose our content because, this is totally valid for any of these formats. We just have to post-production change the format. So instead of it being always, as an example, a square for an Instagram post, well, we can make it into a portrait, a tall portrait reel as well. Maybe add in a few graphics, a few text layers, things like that. But what we're finding is that when we post as a reel, we get significantly more views. Probably on the order of, at least 100, probably about 100 times the number of views. So on a post that I put out on Instagram, I may get 30 to 50 views. I only have about 550 followers right now. I'm trying to build it up, but I'm actively trying to build it up now, whereas before I was very, very passive. So I may get 30 to 50 views, but on a reel, I'll get 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 views. So it's quite impressive, the exact same content. Again, it's just a matter of repurposing post-production. This same content right here can go out as a reel or a post or a podcast. Always be repurposing. But when you do repurpose these days, always be thinking about reels.
Hey there, it's Eric J. Olson. I wanted to let you know about my book, $1 Million Journey, How to Launch a 7-Figure Business. This is the story of what it took for me to go from freelancer with no clients, no employees, no revenue, to growing $1 million business. It took me 8 years and I made a lot of mistakes, and all of those mistakes, and more importantly, lessons learned, are in this book. And we have chapter takeaways, 5 to 15 takeaways that you can apply right now to your business. Check it out on Amazon, $1 Million Journey by me, Eric J. Olson.